Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 12 février and I'm going to tell you what we did today, plus I'm going to tell you what you're going to be doing over tomorrow and Thursday and next Tuesday. This is for all of my classes. So first of all, today we did our warm-up, which was, if you look on the most recent one, it's we did an idiomatic expression called avoir un poil dans la main. Avoir un poil dans la main. To have a hair in the hand, which sounds really silly, but it means basically to be very lazy. All right, and you were to copy down the expression and then say what it meant. And we discussed it that anytime somebody wants to get out of doing something, we say that they have a hair in their hand, or un poil dans la main, meaning he's lazy, he doesn't want to help, so he's always got something wrong, he's making an excuse, things like that. So that was the warm-up. Then once we did that, we made sure that everyone was into Duolingo. So I checked with everyone to make sure that they were in the correct class. If you are in fourth period and you were absent today, this is the list of all of the students who are in my fourth period class. If you do not see your name, then you need to make sure and join, which I will download the PDF, which I will pull it up right now. I will also put it on my, post it to my webpage. But anyway, so these are the instructions, all right? And you can pause this video to do what you need to do with it, okay? So this is the download. Once you're on, there are some assignments that you will need to complete, but you won't be doing that until Thursday. So this is fourth period, all right? Here is fifth period. I believe everyone in here is okay. Sixth period, I don't know if I had any. Yeah, I had some people absent. Daniel, this is for you. I believe you're in there, Daniel. I'm going to check. Let's see. Yeah, you're right there. I think that was it. Charlie, I know, is in. Justin, I know, is in. So we're good for that. For seventh period, I think we got everybody in as well. I don't believe there's anybody absent today. So, yeah. Alright, so anyway, we verified Duolingo to make sure you were on Duolingo. And then the rest of the time, we finished working our workbook, and we worked on our castle research. Now, I will tell you this. Next Wednesday, when I'm back at school, and I go to check the drawers, and I don't see workbook pages in there, I'm not accepting anything else. And I will put the grades in, and you will get a 0. So, period, end of sentence. All right, now, that's all we did today. Let's move on to what's going to happen tomorrow. So hang on a second. Okay, so anyway, here are the instructions for periods 4, 6, and 7. And I'm going to refresh this because there we go. All right. So now it will say instructions for periods 4, 6, and 7, 2:13 to 19. So that's tomorrow, Thursday, and Tuesday. All right. So we're going to click on it. So the instructions are for tomorrow. You're going to get a handout called Unit 4A Vocabulary. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you what that handout is. It's on the same web page as your instructions. If you click on 4A Vocabulary Handout, you will see that you will get this handout right here. All right. So with this handout, you are going to go to pages 164 and 165 of your textbook, and you're going to use the vocabulary there to fill in the handout. All right. Even you'll find a little gold box at the bottom corner of page 165 that will have some more vocabulary in it. So you'll do that. Then you will turn that in. Then you will go to pages 80 to 84, or actually don't turn in the handout yet. You're going to go to workbook pages 80 to 84. All of those activities have to do with the vocabulary from Unit 4A. You'll also need to read pages 169 and 170 in your textbook because some of those activities will have to do with the culture in your textbook. You're going to tear them out, you're going to staple them, and you're going to write your name and turn them in. I strongly suggest that you get this done. If you think I'm kidding, I promise you I am not. Get them done, you turn them in. Then you'll turn in the vocabulary page along with your workbook pages. So you can staple them all together if you want to. I don't care, as long as your name is on all of them. Thursday is when you will go to B208 next door. You'll go to www.duolingo.com on the computers and you will log in and you will begin doing the assignments that I have assigned to you. And I will probably add a few more because you're not going to have a whole lot of time Thursday to even work on them because we're on a pep rally schedule. So you will also have Tuesday to work on them as well. But don't let time get away from you because they will all be due by midnight Tuesday night. And then, so that's Thursday. Then Tuesday, like I said, you'll go into Duolingo in B208 and you'll do the same thing. If you get done with everything, then you can listen to music, you can study for a test, you can work on the puzzle if she allows you to come back in the classroom. It depends on what she wants you to do. But that is what you will be doing tomorrow, Thursday, and next Tuesday. So, merci et bon après-midi. Oh, wait. Let me go on. 5th period. All right, so that was 4th, 6th, and 7th. Okay, so 5th period. All right, I'm going to X out of this. Okay, so we're going to go to 5th period now. All right, let's look at 5th period. For tomorrow, you are going to finish up any work that you're missing from last week. That includes workbook, the interview of the Tahitian student, anything else that I told you you could be working on. Make sure you get that done tomorrow. Then you can go on to Duolingo and start the assignments using your phones. I don't think I'm going to have our computer cart unlocked, so you won't be able to get a computer, so you'll just have to deal with your phones and work on it. Thursday, you'll also go to the lab, B208, and you'll do the same thing. You'll get on Duolingo, and you will work on your assigned activities. And then Tuesday of next week, you'll continue and finish those up. By Wednesday of next week, I hope to be back on a regular schedule, and we'll get back to doing, we're going to go over all the work you've done because I don't believe in assigning work if I'm not going to grade it unless it's a crossword puzzle like the other thing. But definitely get stuff done because I will be grading this stuff. And you guys are going to be really surprised when you look in Skyward in the next couple of weeks and see zeros because you didn't think I was serious. All right. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next Wednesday. Au revoir.